Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, my name is Damar Kiti Pamkas from class A with name A3202100004. I will present about photography basic. Before we get in the material, we should know about photography. What is photography? Photography is the process of painting or writing using light media. As general term, photography means the process of or method of producing an image or photograph of an object by recording the reflection of light hitting the object on a light sensitive medium. Next, getting to know about exposure. What is exposure? Exposure in general is also known as lighting on DSLR. Not just DSLR, that there all of camera DSLR, mirrorless, and or another camera. Special modes of exposure type, such as family, fireworks, sport, close-up, and etc. Exposure is formed from three main elements, or commonly called the exposure triangle. In exposure triangle, they have shutter speed, aperture or diaphragm, and third is ISO. Okay, next, exposure triangle. I explained about shutter speed. A mechanism that controls how long the sensor is exposed to light. The longer the shutter is open, the more light the sensor can capture. Nah, high shutter speed will result in frozen or not moving object. Nah, if slow shutter speed will capture the movement of a moving object or image become blur. If the shutter speed display on the camera is like the image below in circle red. Nah, that if we take a photo of moving fan, it will be silent if the shutter speed is high. Well, if the shutter speed is low, it will make the fan move with blur result. Okay, next. Two, we have aperture or diaphragm, a mechanism that controls the width of the aperture of the lens as path of light to sensor. The larger the aperture value, the less light is captured by the sensor or make the photo will dark like your life. Just kidding. The smaller the aperture value, the more light is captured by the sensor, or the result photo is bright, have a lot of bright. Okay. The ISO display, not the ISO. The aperture on the small camera will capture more light, and vice versa. If the opening is large, it will get a little light, which makes the photo dark. That in right, the photo is have the largest aperture until smallest aperture. The large is f per 1.4, and the smallest is f per 22. Okay, next. Third, about ISO, a measure of how sensitive the camera sensor is to light setting, determine the high and low exposure of the photo. First, the higher the ISO, more sensitive the sensor. The result image will have more light or more noise. Okay, the lower the ISO, the less light will enter the camera sensor or make a lower noise. The ISO display on the camera is like a circle image in the middle of the text. If we set the ISO high, it will make a lot of noise or pixel like small dots on the image, like in the image on the right. Using a high ISO, it can cause a lot of pixel. If our ISO is low, it will produce a perfect picture or no noise, like a picture in the right. Okay, next. Now about getting to know about lens. Lens have two: zoom lens and prime or fixed lens. If zoom lens is a lens that has a focal length range or FLR and can be changed according the focal length special on the lens. For example, 18 until 55 millimeter lens. Zoom lens is divided into two: zoom tele and zoom wide. Okay, B prime or fixed lens is a lens that has a single or fixed focal length range or FLR and cannot be changed like zoom lens. For example, a 50 mm prime. Now, if we zoom, not change, the picture is not changed. That just in that area. Nah, okay, next. Nah, now I will explain about shooting technique. Now, if in shooting technique we have seven shooting technique. First, extreme long shoot. Nah, this technique require more detailed expertise from the photographer because they must be able to make the project more integrated with the surrounding area so that the object can stand out more and now sync together with the background. Two, long shoot. Nah, long shoot is a technique that serves to convey the interaction between the surrounding area and exciting object. Now about medium long shoot. Medium long shoot is a technique that only takes picture of part of human body just until the him or her knees. Okay, now about medium shoot. It's a technique that focus on several parts of the body to upper more detail. Body, just a half of body. Okay. Now about close up. Close up technique that self display a person facial expression or when they want to identify the character of an object. Now about big close up. Big close up. Same thing with close up. The technique cover a much narrower area in order to be able to create a more dramatic photo perfect or photo effect. Okay, the last is extreme close up. The last is the technique is use camera angle that is placed very close to the object, like this. And the cover the frame area only focus on the few special parts such as eyebrows, eyes, nose, lips, or mouth. Okay, next. I will explain about shooting angel. Shooting angel, we have 5 shooting angel, not just 5. They have 6, but I just know 5. First, eye level technique. The camera angle is where the camera height parallel to the eye of the object you want to photograph, like this. If no, 2 is bird eye angle. Bird eye angle is technique taking picture with position directly above object that adapt a bird vision. Like bird fly and bird photo the object. Okay, camera point frog eye level. Just a name suggests frog eye will also adapt how frog perceive an object. This technique has the function of creating impression that object appear larger and their surroundings. Now is low angle. Low angle technique use photograph an object from a lower position. In general, is one shooting technique is used to give impression of level when object is a human. Okay, the last is high angle. High angle is shooting technique that makes photo object look small and weaker, like in the photo. Okay. The last is white balance. White balance is white balance camera mechanism to adjust or filter the color of light entering the camera. Like white balance is a function to make white things appear white in photography by compressing for the effect of light color under the shooting environment. Different light have different color and characteristic. Like shoot, auto, daylight, cloudy, shade, tungsten, fluorescent, flash, and the last custom. Okay, maybe just that can I tell you about photography basic. They have more, but I just can tell you this. Okay, see you the next video. Hope you enjoy this video and more learn about photography. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.